How to mount and connect Syntetis STR1 transformer fan speed controller. This transformer fan speed controller controls single phase motors. The required AC fan speed can be selected by the rotary switch. This 5-step rotary switch also has an off position. The controllers up to 7.5 amperes are available in plastic enclosure, while the models above 7.5 amperes are available in a metal enclosure. Before you start mounting the product, read carefully safety and precautions in our mounting instruction on the website and choose a smooth surface for installation. Mind not to damage the cables connected on the front cover. The unregulated output can be used to open or close the damper. When the motor starts, the damper opens. The regulated output controls the fan speed in steps. This fan speed controller is equipped with an auto transformer. This technology generates an output voltage with a perfect sinusoidal shape, which guarantees a quiet motor operation. A special impregnated coating reduces the electrical noise from the auto transformers. The STR1 series have a maximum current between 0.8 to 7.5 amperes depending on the version. One or multiple identical motors can be connected to this controller as long as their combined maximum current does not exceed the maximum current rating of the fan speed controller. There is no need to overdimension the fan speed controller.